Alright guys, what's up? It's your boy Matthew, and I'm going to show you guys how to solve the Rubik's Cube. First, you want to make a daisy, and in order to do that, you have to do this. You line up the white edge pieces. If you already have one, that's great. You look for them, and you pull them up. And you don't have to get rid of any of them. But what happens if it's at the very bottom, like this, or say like it's here, and like you can't pull it up? You turn it, and pull it up. And now next step is to line up the colors. You should have two matching colors when you line them up. Just line them up until you have two matching colors. Then flip it 2 times. Okay? Now next, just do it again with every petal on your cube. And same here. Okay, now you should have a white cross. Oh, forgot one petal. Now you should have a white cross. Now you should have a white cross on the bottom of your cube. Don't worry if there's any other white pieces or anything. Just worry about this contraption here. Next is doing the whole bottom face and the second layer. Now, look at the top of your piece. See how I have one? Look at the color on the side. Line it up diagonally to its color of the center and perform the left trigger. Pull it up, pull it away from you, pull it down. I have another one here, and it goes for green. Do that. Now what happens if there are any at the top or bottom? If there's any at the bottom, see which side it's on, left or right. Right trigger would be this. Alright. And I have one at the top. If you have one at the top, make sure it's not lined up to a white piece. See that? You don't want that. So you turn it until it's matched to a non-white sticker, and then you do that. You do the right or left trigger twice. This time I'm going to show you the right trigger here. R, and there. Now it's solved. Bottom is solved. Next is to do the second layer, because I already have the first layer done. Second layer, come on. So this is how you do it. Look at the edge pieces without yellow stickers. Please do not have any with yellow stickers. It's okay if you do. Just line up the ones that don't have yellow stickers on the top or the bottom. If you line it up right, it will look like you have an upside down T. Like this. White is always going to be on the bottom, guys. Okay? And yellow is always going to be on top. Now that you line it up, you're going to turn it away from you. Wait, here, look. Look at the sides. Which side is this color on? For me, it's on the right. You turn it away from you and do the right trigger. I displaced this white piece, so I'm just going to do that left trigger, and I put it back. Now, same here. It's on the left side. Turn it away from me. Left trigger. And not done yet. Same here. It's on the left side. Okay. Almost there. Okay, and my second layer is solved. Now we have to do a cross. But before we do that, I gotta teach you algorithms. D is for down, F is for front, B is for back, U is for U is for up, and M is for middle. But we're not going to be moving the middles because that's more complicated. Now you do, and if it says to do it twice, like F2, that would mean to turn it twice. Alright? And so now we have to make a cross. So you're going to do F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Now you should have this. Here. This is for if you have 0 or none. You should have this after doing the algorithm. And now you should do this now. You do it one more time. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Now you should have what looks like a backwards L. Line it up to the 9 and 12 position on a clock and do it one last time. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And now you should have a yellow cross on your top face. Like I said, don't worry about any of this. Okay? Now we actually skipped a step here. If you have 0 or 2, look on the side to see if you have 2. Hold that on your left side, flip it until it's on your left side. And then perform a new algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now I could do that. Look, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now you got rid of yours. Just do it one more time. Make sure it's on the left. Don't move your cube to where it's on the left. Flip it. And one more time. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now you should have what looks like a little fish with 1 on the left side of your cube. Turn that down and do it one last time. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And there it is. You have your white face done. Now, for the next step, you're going to be looking at the top of your cube. Just look. Like right here. 3 on the left side. And then you're going to do a new and long algorithm. It goes L prime. Oh, yeah, L is opposite of R. R is up, and like regular R goes up, and R prime goes down. L goes down, and L prime goes up. It's separate. L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. You may have to do this one more time on a separate color, but if you have something that looks like this, or only the top middle piece is different, you're going to do an algorithm. It's a different algorithm. It's a new and simpler algorithm. F2, U, R prime, L, F2, L prime, R, U, F2. Now you should have one solid face. Now do it, point it away from you, by the way. Do it one more time. F2, U, R prime, L, F2, L prime, R, U, F2. And there you have it. Your cube should be solved. Now, this may take you like an hour or two for your first solve, but it's gonna get easier, don't worry. And if you want to, you're gonna have to memorize all those algorithms. But for now, I'll see you guys later. Watch this as many times as you want. It's okay. It's okay if you get frustrated or anything. It took me a long time to figure out how to learn the cube too. I thought about giving up, but then when I went back to it, I eventually learned how to do it. So don't get frustrated. Keep trying and do it. Adios, amigos.